That smell is insane. It's so good. Lentil stew soup recipe. You have to make this recipe. It is phenomenal. Hi everybody, it's Rivki from Lev Haolam, and I am welcoming you to the Lev Haolam kitchen, and I'm with my favorite chef, your favorite chef, Chef David. Hi David.
Hi, hello everybody.
We're so happy that he's with us, and this is the perfect time, David, to make a nice, hearty, comforting soup or stew, yeah?
Yes, it's in Israel we say the season of soups is beginning. Everybody start to prepare the soups now.
100%. It is the season of soups, and today we are going to make an incredible recipe. It's from David's own book, Tastes of the Bible. And David, we're going to make your amazing lentil stew soup recipe, yeah?
It's actually not mine, it's Jacob's. But we don't have an exact recipe, Jacob didn't leave it, but we can imagine and guess how it looked like, and we will try to recreate this recipe. I think one of the most popular recipe from the Bible. Everybody told about this dish.
I love it. So everybody who does Bible study, you know about Jacob and Esav and the lentil soup stew that changed history, really changed the entire world.
Yes, it's
Powerful soup.
interesting story.
This story unfolds with Isaac and his two sons, Esau and Jacob. Esau was the firstborn, and to him belonged the birthright. One day, Esau returned from the field, exhausted and famished, and he found his brother Jacob cooking a red lentil stew. Esau demanded a bowl to eat, and Jacob agreed, but only if Esau would sell him his birthright. Esau, driven by hunger, swore an oath and showed no regard for his birthright. Later, when Isaac had grown old and his eyesight was dim, he wanted to bestow his fatherly blessing upon Esau. Jacob entered his father's tent, and Isaac, unaware of the deception, blessed Jacob, granting him the blessing of Abraham. When Esau discovered what had happened, he cried out in bitterness and rage and resolved to kill his brother. Jacob was forced to flee with nothing but the blessing he carried. Through years of labor, hardship, and faith, Jacob was transformed into Yisrael, and it was from him that the 12 tribes of Israel arose.
Okay, so let's just jump in, David. What do we need?
Actually, it's not so much ingredients. Of course, we need the red lentils, onion, garlic, parsley for garnishing. We have spices here, ground cumin and ground coriander, olive oil, and we need the stock. You can use every stock you like, vegetable, chicken, beef stock, depends what you prefer. We will use a chicken stock today, and we will use a powder, but you can cook by yourself or by ready stock, whatever you like.
Amazing. And yeah, the powdered soup stocks in Israel are really popular, and it's good when you need something quick and easy, that's for sure. We will give you a recipe for an amazing Israeli vegetable stock that you can also do at home. So David, this is awesome. I also do want to say that we're using, salt from the Lev Haolam surprise box, olive oil from the Lev Haolam surprise box, spices from Spice Road Farms, which is also in the Lev Haolam surprise box. If you have other spices at home that you've received in surprise boxes, you can try them out, see if you like them. They're there for you. So I think we're ready to start rocking and rolling with this, right?
Yes, let's start.
Okay.
So we need to cut and dice our onion. We'll take one medium onion.
You just make everything look very easy.
It's always easier to cut the edges.
What I'm imagining, David, while you do this is like what it was like when Yaakov was doing it. Like Did he have a wooden table, do you think? Or was maybe like a stone
I
table?
think it's wooden. I'm not sure if he have onion, but probably.
There's probably something like that. A plant gave a similar flavor. So when you make this recipe at home, you're going to be walking in the footsteps of the Bible.
Don't forget, subscribe to our channel.
We cut our onion,
All right.
and now we need to mince our garlic,
Okay.
and we just make like this,
Amazing.
smash it, and
I'm pretty sure that if Yaakov did have garlic, this is how he's doing it. He did not have the garlic press.
who know?
I mean, Israel always innovates and we're ahead of things, but I think in this case,
Second one,
this is the way.
like this, we smash and cut it.
And David, I guess this is one of those things like you can adjust the garlic to your flavor. Like some people like really a lot of garlic, some people like a little bit. So it's just up to you.
Also, you can avoid if you don't like.
Okay.
No problem at all. And now
smells
we
so
need
good.
to saute this with olive oil.
Okay.
Olive oil, Jacob had for sure.
Okay, let's get cooking.
Start.
Okay, so now we're putting it all together, yeah?
Yes. Start
Okay.
with olive oil.
And you may recognize this delicious olive oil from our friends Asi. We sent that in the January surprise box to many of our members. And it's nice and hot.
Let's put the onion.
I love it. David,
Garlic.
I'm imagining Yaakov with steam and delicious smells.
We saute the onion and garlic until the
God.
golden brown.
So yes, I'm back in the time of the Bible, and I'm seeing Yaakov do exactly what you're doing. He's adding a little extra olive oil because we know he's got plenty of it.
We need it to be soft and golden.
Smell the aroma must have been filling the whole home, like the whole place. Yitzchak smelling it, Rivka, his mom, in the other room smelling it.
Yes.
Wow.
And also, what I like to put, and put spices to fry it a little bit. Them.
Ah,
We have here coriander.
okay. So these spices would have come through on the spice route as people
Yes.
were moving through. So really, during biblical times, these would have been
cumin.
used. Wow. Oh, my friends, I want you to imagine
And to mix it, to fry a little bit the spices.
how it smells. It smells unbelievably good. Whoa.
Yeah, it helps to open the spices to give even more flavor.
And listen, when you make this soup, I want you to let us know in the comments how it goes for you because it is spectacular. And it smells so good.
And
Wow.
we fry a little bit, and after we will add water.
The broth, right? If you had broth, this
Yeah,
would be
if
the
you have
broth.
broth, you put broth. And
Okay.
we put the water, wait a little bit, when heat up, and add the powder after.
Okay.
In our case, we just add water, wait till it boils, and add our powder.
I do remember when I've been in the States that you can buy pre-made stock, just like that at the grocery store. It's very convenient. Just pour it straight in, so you could
You can make,
use that.
you can buy,
Yeah.
whatever you prefer. And also, as I told, you can use beef stock to make it more like beef
Yeah.
or chicken stock, vegetable stock. I'm not saying the fish stock is good, but other is fine.
Exactly. So from vegan to meaty, however you like it. David, I have a question about the lentils. We're going to use red lentils, orange lentils. But if you had, say, brown lentils at home, could you use those or something like that?
For sure, you can use brown lentils, you can use actually different beans, whatever you prefer. We in Israel here, we like lentils, we use it in the soup,
Yeah.
like different soups. Any beans is good.
Wow, look, it's boiling. This looks amazing. I think for our friends who are watching on YouTube, you know, this not only connects you to modern day Israel, like right now with us, but those of you that enjoy reading the Bible and seeing the different stories in there, it really kind of brings that to life in a way, which is nice. And this was a dish that changed history. So this was a dish that shaped brothers' relationships, shaped Israel as we know it today, like everything. This is pretty powerful stuff here.
Yeah, interesting story for the future, how everything go, and you feel a kind of connection when you prepare this, you remember the story, it's connect you with your forefather, with your history. So our water is boiling, we add our
So this is like if you have
powder.
cubes, stock cubes also, I like those, or if you have powder stock like we have here in Israel, this is the moment. I usually like to make my stock and then freeze it. So it's really convenient. You have it ready to go all the time.
You can make the big amount and just to divide it, put in the freezer and just take when you need to make sauce or soup or something. So soup already reached the color from the onions and spices. And now let's add the main ingredient, lentils.
Okay. It smells so good. I wish that you could just step through, maybe you're watching this on your computer or your iPhone. I wish you could just like beam over here to Israel, to this kitchen, and smell what I'm smelling. It's magnificent. And David, how do you know how much lentils to add? Because I know Jacob wasn't measuring it out. He was taking it and putting it in.
They have actually measured, not like we have today electronic,
right?
But with the stones and this. Actually, good question. I don't know. Half? No.
Okay, so you want it to be like half of water left, enough water.
It depends how you want. You want more lentils, like more watering. Let's say third or half from the water amount.
Okay. That's a good thing to know, because then if you're cooking for a big family, you can increase the proportion that we'll give you for the recipe. If you're just cooking for a couple, you can decrease it a little bit, and you can learn to just sort of eyeball it. But you don't want to use too many lentils, because if you use too many lentils,
doubles in the size, so you need to understand it. It's like rice. Actually.
Yeah, it absorbs the water. So then now, David, now that everything's added in here, it just we simmer it for a while.
Let's simmer it for about a half an hour.
Okay.
We need that our lentils will be soft, and we can serve after. Yeah.
The ingredients that we're cooking with today, like the olive oil, the spices, all come from previous Lev Haolam surprise boxes that we have sent around the world to our members. Every month, we work with artists and artisans, small family businesses right here in Israel. And you can see we pack these surprise boxes with the most exquisite products from their workshops. And your support really helps these families and these communities, even in the most difficult of times. It's a wonderful way to do something so good for Israel and also to experience the Holy Land in your home. Click the link in the description down below so that you can learn a little bit more about Lev Haolam and about the people that your membership supports every single month and how you can get these amazing products.
Those of you who are watching the video today, I would be very appreciative if you could comment, like, share, all of that really. It helps us, because then YouTube knows to share our video, and then that helps more people learn about Lev Haolam and what we do and who we help. So you can really help us by making a comment or liking. So thank you for that. And it's just bubbling over here. It's just like bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. It's like lovely. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful.
Now let's cover it. And
okay. I've got the lid over here. All right. Ta-da!
I think we are almost ready.
Yeah.
Let's see. You see how lentils are cooked?
Okay. Oh, that looks tasty.
Yeah. Now,
Smells good too. I can smell it.
final step, we'll put a little bit lemon juice.
Okay. Citrus grows so nicely in Israel. I'm
make it
gonna guess
more
maybe you had some.
And the red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar, I'm sure they had during biblical times.
Yeah.
Wow. The smells are so delicious, David.
Let's mix it.
Okay. Woohoo.
Let's try. Nice.
Okay.
Actually, we can put a little bit more salt here.
Okay. My favorite salt, of course, 424. And this is for sure where Yaakov would have got his salt from the Dead Sea, yeah? I love it. And then, David, I got us some delicious bread, and we can dip some olive oil and have it with the lentil stew, right?
Yes, it's really nutritious, warm, and perfect for the rainy winter
It really
in
is.
Israel.
Wow. Okay, let's do it. Let's do some tasting.
So let's serve.
Yeah, let's do it.
So our stew is ready. Let's serve it to the bowls.
Looks good. And of course, we're serving in ceramic bowls that we sent in a previous Lev Haolam box.
Yes, it's much more tastier.
Yes, it is. I totally agree.
And
Beautiful.
just garnish it with some parsley.
It's
Fresh parsley.
Smells good too. You know, one of the things that I notice is it's scent upon scent upon scent. Like really, the aromas are very nice.
Aroma is from all the spices and onion.
And this stew, David, is worth a birthright. Like this was the trade. A bowl of lentil.
Especially if it's winter.
Yes. So nice. And you know what I did? I knew we were going to be doing Jacob's stew, so I'm actually wearing my necklace, if you recognized it. This is, of course, the necklace from a previous level on box about Jacob's dreams. So I thought, well, I have to wear my Jacob's dream necklace if I'm going to have Jacob's stew.
I actually think Jacob dreams his dream after he eats his stew and go to sleep.
Exactly. I love it. Okay. This is really good. Like, really good.
Very nice.
Wow. The flavor is unbelievable.
It's have acidity, very rich.
Honestly, this is fantastic. You have to make this recipe. That is all I have to say is you have to make this recipe. It is phenomenal. The perfect way to do this, I think, would be to make this and then to eat the stew, get the Bible out, read the story of Yaakov.
And it's remind you, connect you to this time.
I can't stop. It's so good. David, wow. Thank you so much for showing us how to make this. I'm for sure going to make this at home. This is really great.
Let's start with the bread.
Yeah, let's go for it. I cannot eat bread without olive oil. I love it so much. And of course, it's the best flavor.
Together go perfectly.
This is the perfect. I'm so happy right now. This is what a great recipe. David, thank you so much. This was so amazing. It is so flavorful and tasty. I'm so happy that you joined us today because this lentil stew will connect you to the Bible. Amazing. It connects you to Israel. Amazing. Connects you to Chef David. Connects you to me. Connects you to Lev Haolam, all these delicious Lev Haolam ingredients that we've used. And so let us know in the comments what you thought. Share your tips and techniques for making amazing lentil soups. And thank you so much for being with us today, and we'll see you next time. David, thank you.
You're welcome. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.